Lemon cake. Here's a simple and easy recipe for a tangy lemon cake that you can try. Ingredients: 1. 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 3. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 4. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 5. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, at room temperature. 6. 1 cup granulated sugar. 7. 2 large eggs. 8. 2 tablespoons freshly grated lemon zest. 9. 1/4 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. 10. 1/4 cup milk. 11. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For lemon glaze: 1. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 2. 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. 2. In a huge blending bowl, cream the margarine and sugar along with an electric blender until light and soft. 2. Add the eggs each in turn, blending grate after every option. 2. Mix in the lemon zing, lemon juice, milk, and vanilla concentrate. 3. Slowly add the dry fixings to the wet fixings, blending until recently joined. 3. Don't overmix. 4. Prepare in the preheated stove for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick embedded into the focal point of the cake tells the truth. 5. While the cake is still warm, prepare the lemon glaze by whisking together powdered sugar and lemon juice until smooth. 5. Drizzle the glaze over the warm cake, allowing it to soak in. 6. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely before slicing and serving. Enjoy your tangy and delicious homemade lemon cake. You can also customize the recipe by adding poppy seeds or lemon syrup for an extra burst of flavor. Happy baking!